What is up, guys? Britt here with Britt's Hobby Shop, and today I am going to be unpacking these 10 coin rolls that I got from the bank, and I want you guys to come along for the journey with me to see if I find anything that is worth money. So of course these are all worth money, worth face value, but we're trying to see if we can find anything super rare, any errors that could be worth hundreds or potentially even thousands. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video, guys. All right, first up we have our first wheat cent. This is our first find of the day. So let's go ahead and flip it over. All right, a 1944, guys. A 1944 wheat cent. So let's go ahead and keep on looking. Okay, guys, so we are in the second coin roll now, and I just found another wheat cent. So let's go ahead and flip this over and see what it is. 1946, guys. This is a 1946 D. Looks to have a lot of, I don't know if that's toning, but it has a lot of different colors on it. 1946. All right, let's keep on going. All right, guys, so check this out. This is a 1982, and it is slightly off-centered. If you can see on that side, it's a little thicker. The rim is a little thicker than on the rest of the coin. Slightly off-center. I'm going to go ahead and keep this because I was able to sell one of these in the past for about 20 bucks. This is pretty cool, guys. Slightly off-centered. Nice. All right, let's keep on looking. Okay, so we have the fifth pack. This is the last coin in the fifth coin roll. So let's go ahead and turn it over. It's a wheat cent and see what we got. 1956. All right. Not bad condition. Okay, guys. Coin roll 7, and we have another wheat cent. So let's flip it over. 1953 D. 1953 D. Has a little bit of corrosion up here. But other than that, it is a pretty decent wheat cent. All right, let's keep looking. So this is the last coin in the 7th coin roll. So it's another wheat cent. Looks pretty damaged, but this is the last coin in this actual roll. So let's see what it is. 1940. And the front is damaged as well. 1940. But it is nevertheless a wheat cent. Awesome. And we have our first Canadian coin, guys. Look at this. A 1997 Canadian cent. It is 1 cent. So this is going to go with my collection of foreign coins. And yeah, pretty nice. This is the last coin roll. This is number 10. Okay, guys, so after completing the 10 rolls, this is what we walked away with. You know, it's not a lot, but it's better than nothing. So let's go ahead and do our recap. We have the 1944 wheat cent, 1946 wheat cent, 1956 wheat cent, 1953 wheat cent, 1940 wheat cent, 1982 error coin. Looks like it's a tad bit off center. As you can see, the rim is bigger on this side. And I shared previously earlier that I was able to sell one of these for about 20 bucks in the past. raw, not grated. So definitely going to put this on eBay and offer up and see who bites. And then lastly, we have a 1997 Canadian 1 cent. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.